Come test drive the 2020 A-Class. The Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a premium hatchback that offers one of the best suite of technology features in a vehicle. The vehicle also has a high-quality interior that looks as good as it feels and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.